This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at Meica König, Meica Kale King. Kale with Kochmetwurst, this is a type of sausage, and potatoes. So Meica, of course, has got the Curry King, which is a currywurst for the microwave. It doesn't really taste as it should, as a proper currywurst should, but well, it's there and it's become a modern classic. In some respect, it's a meme as well. But they have come out with the Kohl König, the Kale King as well, and I wanted to take a look at this for quite some time at this point. Never really got around to doing that, but the other day I saw this on sale for €2.79, and I just could not resist. I had to buy it. We've got mustard under the packaging. 400 grams are in here, and we put it in the microwave for 4 minutes, it seems. Let's take a look around the packaging. They have the mica on the side. Wonderful looking, isn't it? Pause if we want to take a look at the back of this thing. Here we have the ingredients list, and then we have the nutrition table. Here we have the preparation instructions. So yeah, this thing needs to be gone, and also the Senftütchen, the sachet with the mustard in it. Then we are going to perforate with a fork the foil on the front and put this into the microwave at 750 watts for 4 to 5 minutes. And you can also put this into a hot water bath. Alright, yeah, extra mustard. Let's take the bottom bit here. So here we have something to decorate our table with. And here we have the mustard packet. Lovely. Alright, so without further ado, I put this into the microwave. I thought that there would be some sort of little fork, maybe a spork, coming with the package here, because the Curry King, to my knowledge, it does still come with not only curry powder, but it also comes with a little wooden fork, one of these like mini forks that you get with fries when you take them to go, stuff like that. So yeah, I guess I'm going to get my own fork and put this into the microwave, and I'll be back with you in just a second. Here we are, back again with the Kale King on the table. I have had this in the microwave for 4 minutes at 800 watts, and we are going to now de-lid it and take a look at it for the first time together. It's still quite hot, so I will be very careful with this. And it seems that we do actually have like proper intact sausages. I expected this to be a cut down sausage, sort of, you know, slices of it, but this is still two sausages here. It's lovely, lovely. Scent wise, let's see what this smells of. Oh, it does smell of kale, yes. And you do have that certain signature kale and potato scent as well. The sausage, you do smell the Metwurst as well. I really do like Metwurst when you have got these like one pot dishes, have some Metwurst in there, slice it up, have a little bit of a bread roll go with that as well. That's just lovely. So I'll try not to burn my mouth with this, but I guess the first spoonful of the Kohl König is going in. Okay, so this is something that is different from the usual stuff that I pull out of the microwave, certainly. It's alright. The potato has got a nice texture to it, not too firm, not too soft. The kale itself tastes quite alright as well. Texture-wise, also nothing to complain about. Is there... It feels like there is some sort of bacon stuff in here too, like these small pieces here. Is there bacon in here? Let's see. Maybe there is. Maybe it's in the Kochmetwurst, and they took some of that Kochmetwurst and ground that down, or just not put it into the sausage form factor. Flavor-wise though, the base called König is quite alright. Texture-wise, not too bad either. Now I've got something on my trousers, lovely. So let us try to... I didn't expect this to be intact sausage-wise, so I didn't bring a knife, but I'll open it up here and try to taste the sausage on its own. Looks-wise it's fine, certainly. Scent-wise, yeah, lovely. Yeah. Texture-wise it's alright too. It is a lot more fine than I expected. Like usually you've got larger pieces of meat in these Mettwürste. Well, I say usually, the ones that I usually have. Maybe this is not a very usual thing at all. But the skin of the sausage has got a nice texture. The meat itself, of course, does have a nice texture too. In conjunction with the kale and the potatoes, this is not too bad, really. Yeah. I don't really have anything to complain about right here, so I guess I will just finish this off and I'll see you with the review sheet in just a second. But before I will do that, I must cover the mustard as well, right? I usually do not have mustard with anything like this, so I almost forgot about this entirely now. So let's push out a bit of mustard, taste that all by itself. No, yeah, it's alright. It is a bit sweeter than I would have expected. Reminds me sort of a McDonald's or fast food mustard. No, but flavor-wise, this is quite alright, yeah. It's good. Okay, now I'll finish this off. Alright, the consumption process is complete and we are ready to rate this with the review sheet. First impression wise, I give 1 out of 1 available point because overall I don't have anything to complain about. The packaging looks nice, the scent of it when I opened it up was nice. Overall preparation, instructions and everything, that went smoothly too. So yeah, first impression wise, 1 out of 1 available point. Color wise, again, full points here. Kale dishes, they don't look like the most appealing thing in the world to begin with, so you can't really expect anything else from a microwave version of something containing kale. So yeah, but everything looked as it should, I guess. The sausage looked fine, the kale looked fine, the potatoes looked fine. So nothing to complain about here either. Consistency and texture wise, I give full points as well because the potatoes had a almost perfect texture and consistency. So did the kale and so did the sausage. The sausage is. I usually like something a bit more coarse when it comes to the sausage itself, but for some reason it was different here, the sausage. Nothing to complain about though, it's just a different style I suppose, so 2 out of 2 points here as well. Taste-wise, I give 4 out of 5 available points. I have to say that the kale and the potatoes, taste-wise, they were fine. They were not really... not really too inspiring though. Quite not bland, but they could have been a slight bit fuller in flavor maybe. That's nothing bad though, no bad aftertaste, nothing in that regard at all. Sausage wise, kind of similar story here. Could have been a slight bit more intense in flavor maybe, but then again there is something that has to, well, it has to go, and that is possibly flavor intensity when you've got something for months in plastic packaging and then heat the whole stuff up in the microwave. So I just can't be too angry about that, I suppose. The mustard was a bit on the sweet side, honestly. I prefer a bit hotter, a bit spicier mustard with not as much sweetness in it. But then again, that's just flavor, right? Personal taste. personal preference. Overall, I have to say that themalization-wise, they really did what they, I guess, promised. There is nothing that came as a bad surprise to me. Everything was... The only surprises I had were positive, with the intact sausage, that sort of stuff. So overall, I think a 9 out of 10 is appropriate for the Meica Kohl König. Yeah. The only thing to watch out for is that you might be in need of a knife as well as a fork. I expected this to be a metwurst, the sausage, to be in little slices. I'm happy that it isn't. It's just something that you have to keep in mind, because the Curry King, that is of course sliced sausage. So this is different in that regard. I have to say that I'm very happy with this. This is a decent portion size, kind of on the small side for somebody like me, but still it is fine. And when you're out and about, and maybe you're in the office and the only kitchen like room that is available is a little tea kitchen that's got a kettle, a microwave and running water, then this might be a very decent option to have for a quick lunch. Yeah, again, like no bad aftertaste whatsoever. Everything that was here was fine in flavor. Maybe not the most intense flavor experience, but certainly all right and more than appropriate for a microwave meal, I think. And when you get this on sale, in addition to all of that, for €2.79, I have to say then this is really almost a no-brainer for me. When I see this on sale in the future, I'll definitely pick up a package or two, because I do appreciate this Kohl König, the Kale King. But on that, I think we're going to leave it for now. If you have got a question or a video suggestion, leave it in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then.